friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. So friends, today we are going to learn two exercises in Solidworks with the help of these sketches, and this is our exercise number 15. If you have any doubts, then please comment, and you can also download the part from GrabCAD link and exercise link also in description, and please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. So let's start. So friends, this is our today's first exercise in SolidWorks. So let's start. Note the dimension. This is 40 and total dimension is 100 millimeter. Thickness is 40. Okay. So let's start. Click a plane and normal to, and now draw a sketch. This is 40 millimeter. Okay. This is our sketch. Now dimension. This is 40. Okay. And the fillet on this is 10 millimeter. Okay. And this dimension from that point is 100 minus 20 means 80 millimeter from that point. Okay, so 80 millimeter. Height is also, first we are going to this height, and the angle is 60 degree. Okay, and this height is 58 millimeter. Okay, and this portion also is 40. Okay, now finish a sketch and go to extrude. Extrude height is 40 millimeter. 40 and okay. Now we are going to make this portion. Okay, so 20 mm the thickness, center distance is 20 and the radius is 25. Okay, okay. Now this is our front plane, so we are going to on back side and normal to. Okay, and draw a sketch. Three-point arc or tangent arc. Again line and close. Okay, now dimension from that point, this center is 20 millimeter, and finish sketch. Now go to feature and extrude. Click on this face, this direction. This is 20 millimeter, and okay. So this portion is also complete. Now we are going to make hole on this portion. Okay, Click on this face and normal to take extrude cut first and draw a circle and dimension. Circle is 12 millimeter. Finish sketch and extrude cut is through. Okay, so this portion is also complete. Now go to make this circle, or let's draw uh, chamfer and this fillet first. Okay, chamfer is 6 into 45 and this is 10 millimeter. Go to fillet and select this edge 10 millimeter and OK. Now go to chamfer tool and click on this edge. Distance is 6 and this distance is 45. This distance is 45. Okay, and this edge also. Click OK. So our edge and fillet is complete. Now we are going to make the hole on this surface. Diameter is 12 millimeter, distance is 20 and this one is 45. From that center 18 into 11. Okay, let's make this one first. This face normal 2, cut extrude and draw a circle. Dimension, diameter is 12 millimeter and this distance is also 12 millimeter. No, this one is 20, I think 20 millimeter. Okay, and from that point circle is 20 millimeter. Okay, finish sketch through all and OK. Now we are going to make circle on this face. Click on this face and extrude cut and draw a circle. Okay, smart dimension. From that center is 45 millimeter and distance of this whole diameter is 18 millimeter and the center is 20. Okay, and now finish sketch. This circle is 11 millimeter deep and again second circle is 11 diameter. It's through all. Okay, so blind, take a blind and take 11 millimeter and click OK. Now go to this face and normal to again, extrude cut, draw a circle and dimension, and the dimension is 11 millimeter. Finish sketch and this will be through all and OK. So our first exercise is complete. Okay, now we are going to make second one. This is our second exercise. So note the dimension. This is 75 millimeter and 20, 18 and this one also 30. Okay, so let's start. Take a plane and normal to sketch and draw a sketch. Okay, now dimension, The height first, this is 50 millimeter, and the length is 75 millimeter. Okay, this height is 20 millimeter, and this dimension is 18 millimeter. Okay, now finish sketch and extrude. Extrude height is 40 millimeter. Okay, 40 millimeter, and click OK. First portion is complete. Now we are going to make this portion. This is 15 millimeter, and from back side. Okay, height is same, is 50 millimeter. Okay, so go to part, this is our front plane. Okay, go into this plane and normal 2 and draw a rectangle, corner rectangle. Okay, smart dimension, height is 50 millimeter. Okay, and this dimension is 15 millimeter. Okay, finish sketch, feature, extrude, click on this and flip direction, and this distance is 15 millimeter. Okay, click OK. So this portion is also complete. Now we have to make this cut. Dimension is 25 from bottom. Okay, and 60-degree angle. Okay, now going to this face and normal 2, sketch. Draw this sketch, and dimension, this dimension is 25 millimeter. Sorry, split, dimension from that point is 25 millimeter, and this angle is, sorry, this angle is 60 millimeter, 60 degree, sorry. Okay, edit, 80, this angle from that point is 60 degree. Okay, now finish sketch and go to feature and extrude cut through wall and OK. So this portion is also complete. Now we are going to make this circle 24 millimeter dia, and slot is 3 millimeter. Okay, from 30 degree from bottom. Click on this face and normal 2, sketch and draw a circle. Okay, now draw a rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, dimension, this is 24, and the thickness of this slot is 3 millimeter. Center from bottom is 30 millimeter. Okay, now trim the extra portion. Okay, and from that point the circle is 25 millimeter. Okay, and this is also equal relation, and drag slot through all. Okay, now go to finish sketch and feature, extrude cut, select the sketch and through all and click OK. Okay, so this portion is also complete. Now we are going to make this circle 11 diameter and 25 from this center. Okay, click on this face and normal to extrude cut and draw a circle and dimension. This is 11 millimeter, and from that center is 20 millimeter, and from that center this distance is 7 millimeter. Okay, finish sketch and now take to extrude cut, select the circle, extrude cut, select the sketch and through all and click OK. Now we are going to make second circle. This circle is 13 millimeter from this side and 12 millimeter from bottom, 9 millimeter dia. Okay, go to this face and normal to extrude cut first and draw a circle. This dimension is 9 millimeter, and from that point is 12 millimeter. From that edge is 13 millimeter. Finish sketch and through all click OK. So our second exercise is complete. Okay, so if you have any doubts then please comment, and please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.